What is up, YouTube? It is me, ProHD, and I'm back again with another reaction video. Today, I'm going to be reacting to Angry Grandpa Destroys Microwave. This is actually a video I haven't seen, believe it or not. Like, I know I said a lot about Angry Grandpa videos, but believe it or not, there's a lot of videos I actually have not seen. So, let's just get to the reaction. So, 3, 2, 1, play.
I got something for the trip from damn Philadelphia. What'd you get? Ain't people like this boy. I bought a thermos of coffee in. A thermos for what? To put my coffee for the trip.
Okay, we have to discuss this trip out to Philadelphia.
Yeah, we need to talk about it. We gotta figure the road.
Listen.
Wait, let me talk. we gotta go. You do it on Google, right?
Yep.
And you go maps and you draw where. What?
We don't need to drive.
Snow.
We don't need to.
Yeah, we don't drive.
That's why, because of snow and stuff. We can't drive to Philadelphia.
I'm driving to Philadelphia. My own decided.
Seriously, let's just fly.
Fly! Mario, goddamn it! Now listen to me! I am not flying! They just lost goddamn plane yesterday! They didn't get my big ass no goddamn plane!
We have to fly. We can't.
I am not gonna bring a goddamn plane! You understand me?
That's gonna be.
I am not gonna even a goddamn field! Like goddamn, what's that goddamn guy's name?
Ricky Ballin.
Yeah! I got vision, man!
That's that
Come on!
Obama.
I think goddamn plane falling, I'm in! I don't care what, no what?
He's really freaking out over a plane.
I've already bought the tickets.
What?
We're flying to
Oh,
Philadelphia.
hell no!
That's
Oh, hell no! Oh, hell no! Mario, no!
I almost spent $1,000 on tickets.
Get your money back, bitch!
We're flying. That's all there is to it. You're not good.
His
Chill
face.
out, dude.
That face is so funny.
Okay, dude. You
Oh.
chill out sometime.
Oh, what are you about to do? Destroy his microwave? I love that face. I love that face.
It's just a plane.
I love that
Get your money
face.
back, Michael!
Want to go to Royal Rumble?
Yeah!
Then you're flying. Oh, you're not. Go.
He keeps making that face.
Okay. No, come on.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
I ain't flying!
Oh.
You understand me?
Oh man.
Die!
Wow.
Oh, fuck!
He destroyed his microwave. He doesn't have a microwave no more.
Damn it!
Oh. He destroyed his toaster oven.
Dude, where we got cooking the chicken and dumplings?
Oh, he was cooking? Hopefully he didn't get glass in there. If you got glass in your mouth, that's gonna hurt. It's gonna cut
You
you,
don't do
cut you.
anything else. I'm scared.
Wait, what are you about to do?
Jesus Christ, dude.
Let a goddamn microwave fly!
Oh.
You just flew, but not me.
Well, we're gonna have to talk about this further.
Yeah, we're gonna have to do it. Talk is over.
Okay. So that was Angry Grandpa Destroys Microwave. I don't know why, but that face that Angry Grandpa made before he destroyed his microwave, I thought that was just so funny. Like, I've seen Angry Grandpa make funny faces before, but that, or not really funny faces, but more like angry faces, but that is just, I don't know why, I just found that so funny. But I'm just still laughing thinking about it because it's just that funny. But yeah, I don't really have much else to say for this video, so I'm just gonna go ahead and end it off here. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe if you're new, and I will see you guys in our next video. So until then, bye.